What do you want? That simple question is the foundation for defining your best life. Now, the best life section of the DayMaster application makes it as simple as possible to do just that, define your best life. Now, your best life is made up of many different aspects, from your career to your relationships, your body and health, and so on. Now, your best life is also like a blank canvas. It is up to you to define what your best life looks like. It should absolutely be unique to you. Now, it starts with just answering a few simple questions for each aspect of your best life. This is going to give you a great foundation to work from and set a clear destination. Now, you can also add as much detail as you want to personalize your best life and make it your own. Next, you can prioritize your best life. What aspect of your best life is most important right now? This should change over time, and you should refine it as you go along. Lastly, you can assign a rating to each aspect of your best life. How are you doing on your progress to living that best life? So go ahead and get started. Define your best life in each aspect. Answer those questions, prioritize, and rate. When you're all done with that, take a few minutes to reflect. What's jumping out at you? Where are you doing well? Where are your areas for opportunity? This is going to be a fantastic perspective to define where you want to take action, which leads us to our next step, aspirations. So go ahead and finish that up, and I'll be waiting for you to take care of your aspirations after that.